Facebook launches Catch Up, an audio-only calling app that shows who's ready to chat now. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau hints at affordable OnePlus Z phone, may launch first in India. Zoom temporarily disables Giphy integration in its chat feature to ensure privacy protection. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 gets cleared for ECG, BP monitoring. Xiaomi teases the 4K Mi TV stick with Android TV. Nokia shuts plant in Tamil Nadu after 42 employees test positive for COVID-19. Vivo Y70s with 5G support, Exynos 880 SoC launched. Xiaomi RedmiBook 13, RedmiBook 14, and RedmiBook 16 with AMD Ryzen 4000 series CPU launched in China. Xiaomi Mi 18 watts dual-port charger, precision screwdriver kit launched in India. BSNL introduces Anycast DNS for improved speed and reduced latency. Facebook Messenger's new safety feature warns users about scams. Soon, Google Assistant will confirm purchases with your voice.